Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Daniela and I have another Christmas tutorial for you. Today we will make together these easy, quick and cheap paper snowflakes. All we're gonna need are paper, scissors and pencil. First we want to make a square, so we fold the paper and cut off this part. We keep the square folded to a triangle, and now we need to find a point in the side of the triangle to fold the paper evenly on both sides. It's approximately in 1/3 of the side, but not exactly in 1/3, so I will show you how to find that point. I will do the marks with pencil to you to see it better, but normally I don't do it. I just do it according to the creases. And this is the point we want. So we fold one side according this point. Turn over and fold it the same way evenly. And now we fold it again to half. And cut it according this line. Then we draw a pattern. This is optional, we can cut it without drawing, but I'm going to draw some and cut it. I always like to iron snowflakes to flatten them. And that's all. You can see that it's very easy. If you want to find some inspiration, I recommend you to search on Pinterest. You can find there many nice patterns. I especially like this type of pattern where you can see these before and after images. Or just experiment a little bit and make your own. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and see you next time. Bye!